Cambodia. Nestled between Thailand and Vietnam, Cambodia is a beautiful country where the dusty streets are filled with motorbikes and tuk-tuks, a people that is struggling to recover from the genocide in the late 70s. A country that sees many young women sold into the sex industry. Throughout the country, there are many markets where you can find construction supplies, food and other interesting delicacies, agriculture supplies, and many other items. Welcome to the Redeeming Rain Center, located in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. The Destinations International Cambodia team opened the center in February of 2017 as a way to build relationships with the people in the community. At the center, we currently host Kids Club, Adult and Youth Bible Study, and teach English. With an average of 40 children attending the Kids Club on Sunday afternoon, we enjoy the challenge of keeping them occupied. During this time, the children enjoy singing, building their own craft, and listening to Bible stories. Youth and adults come on Sunday afternoon for a time of worship. During this time, we sing, read and study the Bible, as well as pray for each other. Another way to interact with the community is through teaching English. In Cambodia, if someone can speak English, they will be able to find a better job, which will result in less children being prostituted. We have around 80 students that are between 5 and 35 years old.
Everyone put your stone in your slingshot, right? So put your stone inside and slingshot, right?
We have seen God move in many different ways since we began this journey. There have been both difficult experiences and rewarding times, but God has been faithful. We are excited about what God has done over the last 3 years and are looking forward to what God will do in the future. Currently, we are looking for more people, long-term and short-term, to join our team. Please prayerfully consider this opportunity. If you or anyone you know are interested in joining our team, please contact us.